quick video I want to share with you guys over at Walmart. I will tag any of these products that I can find for you. The price may only be in store. You'll have to check your local store, but at least you can find it online and get more details and everything. So first up, I'm showing you the HART 8-gallon, 135 PSI, max PSI, 2.4 CFM air compressor. Now, it's normally $159, but right now it is $64 in store. Now it may follow suit online. We'll see. Right now it's still full price online. Here's the barcode for that. Now to go with that, there's a bunch of air tools that I want to show you. The 3/8 drive air wrench by HART Tools is just $10 right now. We have the 3/8 drive impact wrench, and that is $16 right now. The Hyper Tough 1/2-inch aluminum impact wrench, 1/2-inch drive again, only $10. Then we have the 3-inch cutoff tool, that is only $10. Now this store is out of stock, but also there is a $9 HART air die grinder, and there is a HART air hammer for $14.50. So check out your air tool section at your local Walmart. Again, I'll tag whatever I can. Actually, I was just looking up here to see if any of those items that aren't on the shelf might be up there. I might have to take a good look up there because I like those. You can see what I'm getting. I'm going to get that air compressor for $64. I don't need it, but it's like $100 off, so I'll use it. And then I'm getting all of the air tools that were on clearance because why the hell not? Now I need to find a clearance hose, which I don't see any of them on sale, but I'm going to keep looking, and a set of fittings. If I can get that whole little set and a hose. You know what? I recently saw a hose reel, a retractable hose reel that was on clearance somewhere on sale. I got to find it again. Anyway, I'll keep looking. If I find any other air tools, we'll add on to this.